Normally don't do this, but welcome to Scare TV. Nangkhapha ngekhaya vandag. Many takes. Kenya ngesande ukuthi uzobloma. Uzoblomela the takes. Because it's empty. Akunafokolo nje neemoto azibona nje Princeton empty. Azi ngicabanga nogwakha manje ngivele ngiyele phela. Yabona mabathi ibhad lakho shem. Vele yazidlula nje. Akusiyo. Yeah, konje what's this? Deep Sloot.
A few minutes later.
For some reason lapho sengasakwazi ukukhuluma ngathi ngathi yazini sothatha i-content ngikhulume indaba nesibhaya sihambe sidlule Rivonia sidlula Sunning Hill sidlula Woodmead sizofika Mall of Africa profeta sambeni magesi uyabona ukuthi angishaya i-content manje kunzima ukuthi ngishude mfethu ibe ngibambe nge-gospel kumnandi kuthebelele soft awubasho asambeni aze ngicela ukubuza abantu ukuthi malini itaxi ukuya eChina Gate. So it's like 5 kilometers from here. That's 18 rand. How sure mangeke. I got 18 rand malini. So another thing is that I decided let me walk this 5 kilometers. Maybe I see some Kawanyana. Yeah, I see. So there's a thing about walking, you know. More walker, you get to see all these nice places, all these cute places, all these magnificent, interesting things. Like for example, afunang lama taxi. Afunang. It's very charity long. So you catch my drift. Which is so much interesting things that you come across and interesting. Angazi bafethu mara hayi kahle. Maybe I need to do some history towards myself and learn more, yabo, because I don't understand why kaShembe bangavele babeltile ngesonto one time. Ibe into esimple nje. Ibe into esimple. Araya sambeni. So I think I'm 1 kilometer in to the walk. Ngafika robotini. Ngakhathali. So I guess umkhaba is not a disadvantage after all. It's just a sign of happiness. So we have a long way to go. Mangafika kulama roboto lawo. Then we from there. Taxi 18 rand. Mara noma kanjani ngisengihambile phekani emuva kufer kanjani. I'll show you just now. Ukuthi emuva kukude kanjani. Yabo ngiyaphi. So normally when I come back from work, khona usisi ongimelayo ongilanda, yabo. So guys, I need you also to subscribe so that nami ngizokwazi ukuzithengela imoto. Patalobola. Ziningi nje into engifuna ukuzenza. Introduce a new product towards to you, my YouTube subscribers. Ibe mnandi, yabo. So I'm still working, just thinking. Ngibona umuntu odakiwe le ulele ekarini. Ama lights are on. So ngiyazibuza nje ukuthi makavuka athi uyayistarta le moto. Izostarta na. Asithembe ukuthi izostarta. Yeah, still working. Ayadlula lama taxi 18 rand. and angizimisela ngazi ukubhatala 18 rand. There's a lot I can do with 18 rand. Tell me on the comment section ukuthi ngiba ungoqo by not taking a taxi and preferring walking, because ebonile nani ukuthi in the taxi I couldn't speak much because nalo baba uyabona udrive ukuthi ayi lentwana le iya record and angangihlala nga record mina yebo. So into engishoyo ukuthi ngicela ningitshele ukuthi ngiba ungoqo for taking a walk, and at least it's content ishaye blog bana ngifuna mara kumele ngithenge ibhayisikili yazi. Sengizofika robotini mara iy'nyawo zithini emntwaneni manje Fortress sengifika njengalamachita ngathi ngilebe ngiyagijima imarathon mara hayi sipheli moya. Subscribe lapho, subscribe emkhathini somewhere here, subscribe. Mina ngiyasala abantu bahamba ngamabhayisikili nangamateksi 18 rand. Thenga ibhayisikili noma ngihlezi ngigibela itaxi. It's not that I can't afford it, but yeah, mara bafethu endawo yinhle bhekani bafethu. I call it the Kempton Bridge, the Kempton Tembisa Bridge. Mara ye Tembisa, it's all the way there. This is Kempton Terren Hill. Terren, oh, never mind. Yabona nesayini yasho ukuthi iThembisa ile, and then Kempton Park kula siyakhona. Question, who's Thembu Mahlangu? Mahlangu. Who's Thembu Mahlangu? Astron bafana. Azi njengoba kuyiSunday kanje ngibuyele endlini hlangana nomndeni, then later on going back to work night shift. So thini mfethu ngithanda imali. They always shouting me ukuthi Sundays are for lovers. Mara hey, and the Sundays is for lovers and there's no money. It's not Sunday for lovers, it's Sundays for brokenness. So rather go to work so that month end we ask ukuthi we have yeah, people will look at you other ways more blogger. Yeah, but I have to push this, I have to make it happen. Like and subscribe. Ayabona manje singihamba halfway, sengifikile kahle yabo, ngizobonisa manje ukuthi ngifike how far. Sahamba 5 kilometers encane. Ngiyacabanga mangayigijima every morning. Ngomkhaba ngaphela ne sengaze ngafika ebridge ebisi2 yabo. Normally ngiva kulela side lela, then ngihamba ngebridge kanje yes yabo, but vandag hayi ngizwe ngathi ama-Fortress ayadonsa, so ngathi yazini let me take the shortcut. Actually thinking about it, this walking thing is actually nice, not having earphones on, little pushy conversation with your inner self, you understand. Also talking to y'all guys, as in ngithanda hure, but niyabona nani getting there, improving our editing. Yeah man, sithenga ne-equipment yabona manje sesikhuluma ne-camera. Le amshit yangi-inspire ya over le amshit. Hayi bafethu sengifikile eKingdom Come. Sibonga ukuhamba nami. Hayi sibonga bafethu, inkinga ukuthi angeke sinibonise yonke into. Kumele ngivale khona la. Ngibonga kakhulu nale truck le. As I was saying before kudlula le truck, so thank you very much for being a part of this journey. Ukongikhapha vandag. Siyabuyela here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a vlog. Normally don't do vlogs in Espanini, mara asibonge. Have a blessed day, have a godly spiritual day. I understand. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And ukhumbule ukuthi you're one of a kind. Danko. There's no better thing. If flavor. It's